Gusto ko pumunta naman tayo sa being a wife. Siyempre, kinikilig na ako agad. Kasi pinsan ko yung pinag-uusapan. How did you guys meet? Oh my God, I love this story.
Do you play games? Kasi I'm a gamer so I play online games. So kwento-kwento kami. Tapos, after a week, walang paramdamang person. One time, may nag-text, "Hi, Miss Gamer, double M." Yung gamer. Gamer. Tapos tawa na ako ng tawa. Simple word, wrong spelling. Tapos, doon siya tumatak sa akin. Sabi ko, si Nico to. Kasi yung mga conversation namin, puro wrong spelling.
I love you, Nick. Dati po yun, ha? Dati po yun.
Ganun pa rin yun. Ganun pa rin. Pati pangalan ko wrong spelling.
I love my mother, I love my mother.
When did you start your business?
Most of the people telling me I'm the Shopify queen.
So what are the struggles na mga naranasan mo as a web designer?
Consistency kasi. The whole month, wala kang project. Pero there's another month, there's another day. Gusto ko kasing humanap ng professional, goal-driven na person. So that time, 4 silang kausap. Wow, ganda. Okay siya kausap kasi hindi ako mahilig sa small talks talaga.
You have 4 babies. Nagsunod-sunod yung anak ninyo. Paano nyo na-handle ni Nico yung buhay na yun?
There was a time na naglalaba ako ng boxers ni Nick. Paano kaya kung hindi siya yung napangsawa ko? Naglalaba pa rin kaya ako.
Did you plan having a baby?
It's more on plant.
Plans. Na-plans, hindi na-plan. I think lahat na ng experience ng panganganak, ginawa nito na walang epidural, walang kahit ano.
Ayoko na, baby. Tapos umisa pa.
Oo nga eh. Doon ako nagulat eh.
Best friend ko yun. Binlock ko na siya.
Yung best friend binak!
Hindi mo kailangan pagmayabang yung sarili mo.
Yes,
Ipagmayabang mo kung ano yung kaya mong gawin for them.
So I celebrate you, your mind and beauty, celebrate you, your life and story, celebrate you. You'll always be the queen of my heart. I celebrate you. Your wisdom guides me. Celebrate you. Your courage drives me. Celebrate you. Your strength inspires me. It's Mother's Day here. I celebrate you. Your mind and beauty. I celebrate you.